This is a 1936 Ford 1.5-ton dually. Completely restored, frame off restoration. I need a bumper. Mine's got a couple of pieces of chrome missing on it. The radiator's been done, the engine 8BA has been rebuilt, put in all new rims, all new tires, all paint, the bed, oak, brand new tires. The interior needs to be redone, which I've got everything for that. I just need to do it. But hopefully you can hear it sitting here running. Glove box. The window rolls out, all new glass. These side windows, everything's brand new. It's a real nice truck. Have dual exhaust headers just to allow it to breathe. That's what the engine builder told me. If you want to let it breathe. We still have the original manifolds and stuff. I just had a set of headers made and put on it. But it is an 8BA, completely rebuilt by Coyote Flatheads out in Arizona, I believe it was.